Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for stopping by, and it's always a pleasure to make a video for you. Still struggling with this stupid cold, but I'm finding that I'm getting a lot more energy now than the previous days. I've been on Nurofen, paracetamols, buttercup cough mixture, orange juice, freshly squeezed orange juice, tangerines, water. I've been trying to get all my vitamin C in, and I can't sit down and let time go by and then lose out on making my videos. So I've just come on to try my best to see what I can do. I did feel, as I said, a lot better today. So I've managed to get a little haul, a Poundland haul for you. So let's start. First of all, I'm going away December, so I'm trying to, next month. Wow, it's November already. Yep. So I'm going away next month. So I picked up some toiletries. So I picked up some cotton wool cosmetic pads, and those are the Makeup Gallery range from Poundland. And I also, see how much these are. And the mirror, I got myself a mirror as well because I needed that. So that's to put away the case. And I've got this Turn Up the Volume mascara. I needed some, and it's waterproof as well. It says ultra black. I don't know what it means by ultra black. Ultra black waterproof 4. I've never used Poundland's cosmetics before, so I'm going to try this and see. If any of you have tried it before, let me know in the comments below if you have. So I'm going to try that because my mascara's old now, it's no good. And then I picked up this Pout Matters, that's what it's called, and it's a matte lip colour, so it's lip gloss really, and it's Latte number 2. It says intense colour, moisturising formula with a matte finish. Yeah, so that's what I picked up. So that's it for the toiletries. Let's move on swiftly. I'm not quite sure if you know that they've got Poundland doing the sticky rollers now. Oh, I've forgotten what they're called. What they usually called. I've got the Crafter's Companion, but I don't really get on with the Crafter's Companion. I find that I'm always breaking them. Maybe my hands are just too heavy. That's going okay, but normally they break so easily. They just start breaking to pieces. But anyway, I picked one up because I thought I've never tried it, so I will. I'll try it and see how that goes, because they're just so handy. I've got the big old the tape glider, which is good. I like it, I really do, the 80G gun, but I still prefer the little one sometimes. So let's have a look, because my hands are so heavy at times. I just automatically think that you have to press down on it really hard. Okay. Yep, that's it. Okay. Okay, right. And that was £1. I think everything's £1 that I bought from Poundland. And I got some of this washi tape, 3 meters per roll, and there's 3 packs. And it is actually it's a Christmas one. It's got the Christmas parcels and the mistletoe, and I think there's some reindeers here as well. And these are all different Christmas trees, different types of Christmas trees. And this one in the middle says, "It's cold outside." That's cute, so I got that. Because remember, I was on a no spend from August until this month, and it was really, really difficult. But I really just tried to concentrate and sort things out in my craft room, sort out all my stash, did a bit of purging, got rid of some stuff, and tried to organise. I look around here and I think, did I really do anything? But yes, I did. I can see that I did. And it really helped with the no spend, because, you know, it gave me a chance to go through a lot of the things that I have and to make use of them, you know. So that's what I did, and that was good. So I just thought I'd get these bits and pieces, seeing as I haven't got them, and they may come in handy. So that's why I bought some stuff today. So anyway, I picked up some of these Christmas sticker packs. It's got 2 sheets in there. It's quite nice. It's got some really nice stickers on there. As I said, I am going away for December, and I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be partaking in any Christmas activities, but I'll just have to wait and see. I'm just playing it by ear at the moment. Usually I'm all ready for Christmas and getting things organised and sorted out, and all my Christmas cards organised to send out. I just don't feel like I've got the, you know, I just haven't got the motivation for Christmas this year. You know, maybe because the children are grown up, and, you know, I don't have to worry about, you know, faffing around, getting food in, and, you know, I just really please myself, to be quite honest. So that's it. I think I've waffled on enough. So going back to the haul, I picked up an academic year planner. I just won't keep my hands off these planners and notebooks. And it says, "You can call me Queen Bee," and it's from August this year to July next year. So, you know, it'll always come in handy for, you know, a little giveaway or something. I love the colour purple, because purple is one of my favourite colours, so I love the colour, and I love the gold on it as well. So yes, got that. This one is the first one. It says festive fun. I always do that, don't I? Festive fun. It's all about Christmas. All about Christmas. Merry Christmas. Really nice. Only one-sided, but it's still nice. Really nice. Candy sticks. And polka dots, red, green and white on a dark background. Oh, that's nice. Santa, stop here. And striped. And the Santa socks. Lovely. So that's that. If you haven't got it in your stash already, it's in Poundland. I should have opened these already. Should have opened them. Okay, that looks like a pullover, like it's been woven, and that one as well, really nice. Yeah, they all look woven, snowflakes, knitted. Yeah, look at that, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Yeah. They're all, oh, the love hearts are lovely. Reindeers. They look like jumpers. Really nice, they look like jumpers. And this one is called Crafty Christmas. Oh, first of all, they are 6x6, of course, and there's 8 designs, 30 sheets, and they're 120 GSM. This one, the Cozy Christmas, and this one is the same, 8 designs, 30 sheets, 120 GSM. Festive Fun and Cozy Christmas. And this one is the Crafty Christmas. This one is 8 designs, 30 sheets and 120 GSM 6x6 paper pad. Lovely. Okay, and what else? Let's have a look. And the last item is these metallic markers 3-pack, and I've got these in hope that I can use one of them, the silver one, for my recipe book. The tabs, they look okay. I've started using the recipe book, marking the tabs already in black, and they look pretty good with the red. So that's it. Again, if you do like this little Poundland haul, toiletries and crafts, please give it a thumbs up, and do subscribe, and also hit the red bell. Is it red, the bell? Hit the bell for notifications as to when I'm going to upload new videos. That all went wrong. I think I'm getting a bit tired now, but anyway, as I said, I'm really sorry for sounding so horrible and groggy, but I just couldn't let the time go by and sit down waiting for this cold to go away in order to make a video. I mean, you know, that's not fair, is it? I missed my friends, and I'm really glad to make videos. It keeps me in good stead mentally, and you know, I'm interacting with like-minded people, and that's what I really need. So thank you again for watching. Take care now. Bye.